Hello, welcome back to our DataImpulse channel. In today's video, we'll share a simple tutorial on integrating our proxies with Undetectable.io. Undetectable is software that keeps you anonymous online by changing your IP and browser fingerprint. With over 33 settings, profile management tools, and lock access, it is compatible with 34-bit Windows 10 Plus and macOS versions starting from Catalina 10.15. It's packed with features like a built-in proxy manager, cookie handling robot, synchronization, API support, and much more. You can try safe multi-accounting, increase sales and e-commerce, avoid blocks, protect your brand, and use it for multiple traffic arbitrage accounts. Visit the official site undetectable.io to download the Undetectable browser. Choose your OS. We are using macOS M series and start the download. Next, create your account. Fill the login, email, Telegram or Skype and passwords fields. After creating an account, verify it via email. Upon logging in, you'll see a menu with selections like Profiles, Proxy, Configurations, Extensions, and Bot. Click plus New Profile, name it, and configure your proxy by entering the host, port, login, and password that you can find within your plan on your DataImpulse dashboard. Check your proxy by clicking the button near your proxy access details. If everything works well, you'll see the location. After that, select Create. Now you have a saved profile. To move forward, just click Open and you'll see your new profile on the left side under the plus New Profile button. You'll be redirected to Chromium for safe browsing. And there you have it! DataImpulse is the top choice for proxy services, offering more than 5 million IPs for the secure and stable access to the web. Our intuitive dashboard, along with stable connections and 24/7 expert support, makes proxy management as simple as never before. That's it! Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned with DataImpulse.